everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting new additions to Volvo's lineup, the 2026 Volvo ES90. Now, before you ask, no, this isn't the beloved V90 wagon we've come to know and love over the years. Instead, it's something entirely different, a bold step forward for Volvo as they embrace their all-electric future. For decades, the Volvo V90 has been synonymous with luxury, practicality, and timeless Scandinavian design. Its wagon body style made it a favorite among families, adventurers, and car enthusiasts alike. But times are changing rapidly. As the automotive world shifts toward electrification, Volvo is at the forefront of this revolution. They've announced ambitious plans to phase out traditional gasoline-powered models. And yes, that includes saying goodbye to the iconic V90 wagon. So, what does this mean for fans of Volvo? Well, meet the 2026 Volvo ES90, an all-new electric sedan designed to carry the torch of innovation and luxury. While it may not have the same wagon DNA as its predecessor, the ES90 represents the next chapter in Volvo's storied history. The ES90 embodies everything we've come to expect from Volvo: clean lines, understated elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Look at those Thor's hammer LED headlights. They're sharper than ever, giving the car an unmistakable presence on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that redefines premium comfort. Volvo hasn't just focused on aesthetics, they've prioritized sustainability too. Expect high-quality vegan leather, responsibly sourced wood trim, and advanced air purification systems to keep your ride fresh and eco-friendly. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor, you'll find a state-of-the-art electric powertrain capable of delivering impressive performance. While exact numbers haven't been released yet, early reports suggest the ES90 will offer multiple battery options, including long-range variants that could exceed 300 miles per charge. And when it comes to convenience, the ES90 doesn't disappoint. With support for ultra-fast DC charging, you can juice up the battery from 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Perfect for those longer road trips or quick top-ups during your daily commute. Of course, no Volvo would be complete without top-tier safety features. The ES90 builds on the brand's legacy of innovation with next-gen driver assistance technologies, including enhanced autopilot capabilities, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree sensors to keep you safe no matter where the road takes you. Now, here's the part where things get bittersweet. As much as we adore the V90 wagon, Volvo has confirmed that production of the gas-powered model is coming to an end. There's even talk of a final edition being released soon, which makes this moment feel like the closing of one era and the beginning of another. While the ES90 might not scratch that itch for wagon lovers, it's clear that Volvo is committed to pushing boundaries. This sedan isn't just replacing the V90, it's redefining what it means to drive a Volvo in the 21st century. So, what do you think? Are you ready to trade in your keys for an electric future, or will you hold on to the nostalgia of the V90 wagon? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay charged and keep exploring.